Welcome to Learn Excel. If you want to apply a simple filter to a range, you first of all make sure you click somewhere in the data selection. It doesn't really matter where, there, here, making sure that it's not outside the data selection. If you click here and then go to data and then go to filter, you'll see it comes up with an error. This can't be applied to the selected range. Select a single cell in a range and try again. So let's click somewhere here, then press filter. Now you see the drop down arrows. This will allow you to focus on a particular set of information that you're looking for. For example, let's go to the rep section. I want to find out the sales that have taken place by Jones. Go to that, and this filters out that particular set of data. So this is a simple way to apply a simple filter to a range.